Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. So many CMA final students are already started their preparation for December 2025 examination. I hope their preparation also will be in a great manner. But few students not at all started their preparation due to various reasons, like they are doing job as well as they are in articles also, as unpaid assistants, as well as homemakers, and some students, they are not doing any job, they are not doing any work, but they are not started their preparation. Yes, please start your preparation. Definitely, whatever the time available in our hands, definitely the time is sufficient for you. Yes. So now I want to talk few things about the preparation related to December 2025 examinations. So in September month, we have in 2 days only hardly. In October, 31 days. November, 30. December, 9 days. Because December 10th onwards, you are going to write final examinations. But total number of days are available in our hands, 72. If you are excluded 5 to 6 days as an holidays also okay. The remaining 60 to 65 days, if you prepared well, definitely the time is sufficient for you. If you already started your preparation, just boost up your preparation now onwards. If you are not at all started the preparation, don't worry, please start your preparation. Yes. Now, so first and foremost point I want to convey to that all the students, maintain confidence levels always high. Yes. While we are preparing any chapter, in any subject also, you can feel some difficulty while you are remembering some contents also. Don't lose your confidence that one concept cannot decide your pass mark, first of all. Yes. Again, remember, if you are started the preparation or if you want to start your preparation now onwards, please maintain your confidence level high. So daily I want to prepare for some many hours. Yes, you can prepare, and always the maintain the confidence at a high levels only. At any cost, I am going to clear the examinations in December 25. Next, forget about the last attempt outcome. Yes, maybe you failed in both groups also. Yes, you failed in only one group. So, irrespective of the last attempt result, start your preparation. If already started, no issue. Next, but I can say one thing, but analyze the whatever the mistake you committed in your last attempt. Maybe you ignored a few chapters in any subject. Because of that only you are not attempting the 100% of your question paper. So that's why you analyze whatever the mistake you committed in the last attempt and prepare action plan for that. How to overcome whatever the mistake we committed in the last attempt. Sir, how to analyze? Just use your certified copies. Okay, if you not applied also, no problem, please check it out. So what are the questions you attempted? What are the questions you are not attempted in the last attempts? Please verify it. Next, don't compare with the others. So there's a main thing also. Sir, my friend written the both groups, sir. Yes, sir, my friend attempting only group 3 or group 4. What about yours? That means what about your preparation? And what is your coaching things are already done in the last few months. Based on that, you can decide. So you can fix your target, either group 3, group 4 or both groups, that you have to decide on your own. Don't compare with others. Next, sir, fixing target is easy only, but implementation is difficult, all you know. But start preparation day by day. Automatically after 1 week you can complete nearly 15 to 20% of the syllabus also. Believe me, just start your preparation and after 1 week or 2 weeks you can evaluate yourself. Definitely some portion of your syllabus can be completed. Next, try to prepare all chapters. Sir, now you are in a preparation stage, that may be first revision or second revision. So prepare all chapters. Sir, exceptions can be there. What is that exception? Sir, how can I prepare the 100% syllabus? Yes, you can ignore any chapter also as per your wish. That means, okay, in every subject you can prepare 90%, 10% you can take it as a choice, no issue. But if you prepare all chapters, then only you can attempt MCQs. Okay. One more thing. Nowadays, paper levels are increasing drastically. Either you are attempting group 3, group 4 or both groups, please try to cover all chapters in your first revision and second revision. Sir, many students are asking about, sir, please release super 50 question, please release guess questions. We are not going to release any type of these things for these examinations. Why? Sir, we have nearly 2 months time for examination. If you prepared only 50 questions per subject or 50 concepts also and the guess questions, definitely it leads to failure only, in my opinion. Okay, if you felt it can be useful for you, yes, you can use it, no issue. I'm not at all saying don't follow. But in my opinion, super 50 and the guess questions will not give you best result. One more thing. If you already prepared and if you already perfect in every area, for revision purpose you can use. This might be helpful for you last day before exam. And yes, last minute revision purpose, yes, you can do important questions one more time revision. But 2 months time is there. If you are asking super 50 questions and guess questions, if you prepare that only portion, how you can get the positive marks in our final examination? Just imagine, and don't follow shortcuts while you are preparing for first time or second time. Definitely I can say, sir, day before examination, how I can cover the all chapters, sir. On that occasion, you can go with the selective study because you revised everything in your syllabus. Then you can do selective study. Next. Sir, what about the amendments in December 2025 with respect to the direct taxation subject? Yes. I think if you know, okay. Otherwise, I will explain. For December 2025, we have a tax audit chapter introduced. I am expecting nearly 5 to 7 mark from this chapter. And in transfer pricing chapter, they introduced the safe harbor rules. They introduced the safe harbor rules. So we know how to calculate arm's length price. Different methods are there. For calculating arm's length price, we have in safe harbor rules also. Yes, earlier we have in our syllabus, but removed from our syllabus. But for December 2025, safe harbor rules also introduced. And some other amendments, miscellaneous amendments less than 5 or 6 are there. We'll discuss all the things in a YouTube live. Yes, in October first week, I will try to conduct the YouTube live. For these amendments, that means newly added chapters and amendments, I will release the soft copy of material also. Don't worry. Next. Sir, I verified the few students suggested answers. They got nearly 20 plus marks in their MCQs. But they end up with the yes, less than 20 marks in descriptive. What is that mistake? Sir, they got nearly 20 plus marks in MCQs, but descriptive, they are getting less than 20 marks only. Reason, they are not attempting the 100% of the question paper. Why? Because they are following super 50 guess questions. They don't know about the remaining chapters like C category chapters and unimportant chapters areas they don't know. That's why they are unable to attempting it also. If you are attempting 100 marks, definitely you will get an 50 to 60 at any cost. Yes, definitely you will get 50 to 60. Again I am saying, please, while you are preparing all chapters, you have to prepare. Then only you can attempt the question paper 100%. If you are selectively studied, automatically your attempting of a question paper marks also will be reduced to 60 or 80. Yes, definitely you are getting out of 60 or 70 you are attempting, you are getting 35 or 40. That is logically correct also. Yes, next. Don't use multiple sources or multiple books for your preparation. It leads to confusion. Whatever the books you are following as of now, please continue with that. So next, last point I want to convey from our Shikhara tutorial site. Yes, what is that? If coaching done already perfectly, yes, don't think about any classes and materials. If coaching done perfectly means you are purchasing the classes and you watched already classes, then in that books only you can start your preparation with a practice. Practice is very important. Yes, practical papers, definitely you have to practice all the questions also in your first and second revisions. Next, sir, coaching not at all done perfectly, sir. I purchased the lectures but I didn't watch it, and I'm not at all purchased the classes also. Yes, here just I'm suggesting you, if you want you can follow, otherwise you can ignore also. If you don't have any idea about the subject, go with the regular classes. Yes, sir, we haven't only 72 days time, how we can watch the regular classes? If you watch the regular classes, your preparation burden can be reduced. Yes, because we solved all questions in the regular classes only, and we teach each and every concept including MCQs also in classes. That's why if you go with the regular classes, your preparation burden can be reduced. No sir, half of coaching already done previously. Just I require the classes for revision. Then you can go with the exam oriented batch classes. Again I am saying, if you have any prior knowledge about the subject, go with the regular classes. If you don't have any prior knowledge about the subject, yes, please go with the exam. So that means nothing but please consider these two classes based on your knowledge about the subject only. You can decide. Don't compare with others. Sir, my friend purchasing exam oriented batch classes, whether it is suitable for me or not, how can I say to you? Just analyze yourself and decide, okay, this batch is sufficient for me to score exemption. Which batch? That you can decide. First time listeners should go with the regular classes. Repeaters can go with the exam oriented batch classes. Now, from our Shikhara tutorial side, we are going to offer 25% discount because many students are asking the discount. Yes, on the occasion of Dasara festival, we are going to give the 25% discount on the regular classes for December 25 as well as June 26. Remember, regular classes we have for these two attempts. Separately we have December 25 classes are there, June 26 also. But exam oriented batch classes for December 25 only available with us. Including books, these are the original prices. Yes, subject wise 8,000, group wise 30,000 and both groups 60,000 with respect to regular batches, and subject wise 4 and group wise 15,000 and both groups 28,000 including books exam oriented batch. On this you can get the 25% flat discount. That means this price will be 6K and this price will be 22.5K and this price will be 45K. And next, this is an 3,000 after discount. I think this is an 11,000 or a 250 or something. Yes, this is an I think 21,000. Please check. So how to purchase these classes, sir? Yes, you can visit our website www.shikharatutorials.in. If you have any details required for purchasing these classes, yes, you can contact with this number. And one more thing, sir, how to watch demo classes? You can watch demo classes in this YouTube channel itself. Yes, you can go to the live section as well as videos column and you will get in demo classes also. And what is the last date to claim this offer? 2nd October. Yes, 2nd October. And main agenda for this video, two things. The first one, I want to say, please start your preparation and just while you are preparing, these are the points you have to remember. Yes, next, just many students are asking the discounts in Telegram groups also, in personal messages also. So that's why I want to inform to that all the students regarding the offer. So thank you, have a nice day and all the best for your December 25 examinations.